Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 912 Westage at the Harbor in Irondequoit.
This is a rare two-bedroom unit with exceptional Genesee River and Lake Ontario views. So let's take a tour. This is one-floor waterfront living with a great room featuring a white and bright kitchen, open to a spacious dining area, and a stunning living area, all with breathtaking river and lake views. This rare condo also features two bedrooms with lake views, including a master with an adjacent full bathroom and a powder room.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing with the scenic lake views and the beautiful in-ground pool and courtyard. This property is located on the Port of Rochester, just steps away from Charlotte Beach.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 912 Westage at the Harbor in Irondequoit.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!